Hey guys, a very good morning to one and all. I'm doing really good. How you guys are doing? Please let me know in the comment section. And today we are still in a village. As I told you, we just came for an occasion and it's going to be a really fun. My day is starting with the birds chirping, and that's enough for the life I really feel, guys. Can you see the environment over here? And that will feel only in the villages. I really love to stay in a village, and the work has already been started here. They already started milking, and the surroundings are really so pleasant. I'm really enjoying the atmosphere over here. It's really hard to finish up our beauty sleep, but here I would love to sacrifice even my sleep to hear the birds chirping. All the birds chirping, peeping, and tweeting, you can hear it in this video. That too only in the early morning, guys. It's when birds are singing louder and prouder than at any other time of the day. Max. Max. Hey. Hello, Max. Hello. Amor. So morning he really want me to spend some time with him. As of now we don't have any plans to go out, and yesterday we been to Kanipakum, and that video it's already there in our channel, guys. Who have not watched, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Who are interested, please go ahead and watch it, guys. He don't want to stay alone. He wants someone to be with him and to have fun. So he's just pulling my pant. Don't go. He's just holding. So here now I'm gonna show you the color of my mehendi, and how is the design, guys? Please let me know in the comment section. So this is my cousin's marriage, so we are just getting prepared for a marriage, and here morning puja they're gonna do it soon, so I'm just helping them by plucking the flowers. So here I'm plucking hibiscus flower and jasmine, tuberose. So you guys watch and enjoy this experience. Really I'm enjoying, guys. So here there is a pink rose plant, and here I'm going to show you one more type of hibiscus flower. This was really somewhat different, and yeah, it's red in color. So now come on guys, let's go and pluck the tuberose. Wow, can you see this? First time I'm seeing the plant of this, and the fragrance, it's extraordinary. We can't even imagine. So everybody knows that tuberose, how it smells. So which is my favorite? Jasmine flowers, which is really looks like white rose. Wow. I'm done with it, and these many flowers we got it today. So the other side, our breakfast is getting ready. This is my cousin's mehendi design which I made it, and the color is awesome. Here I'm gonna show you, my son is trying the martial arts, which is stick fighting. He's just practicing just for fun only, but I really felt he's doing it very seriously. But yeah, even his dad is teaching him how to do it. Here I just want to introduce a little cute girl, which is our neighbor kid. She also want to learn the stick fighting. It seems she started practicing.
అవునా సరే రైమ్స్ చెప్పు పోనీ.
Johnny, Johnny is Papa, eating sugar, no Papa, telling lies,
నో పాపా.
telling lies, no Papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha, open your mouth, ha ha ha.
So now guys, how sweet the kids' voice. Whatever they do, we really have fun. And here again they're doing something. My son really got a great company with them. Here I started playing with them, and we really had a fun. So it's time to go for my cousin's marriage. Today is reception, so we need to get prepared for that. So we already reached guys. Can you see the background? It's really awesome. That's all for today's one. Thanks for being with me again. Stay strong, stay safe, stay home. Let's catch up with a new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.